are the lifeline of our vehicles. Without them, our vehicle does not get the power it needs to operate. Cold temperatures are the #1 reason why batteries die. Even at 0 degrees, your battery is 35% weaker, and the colder it gets, the weaker it becomes. This is why it's essential to have your battery tested regularly. There are several benefits to testing your battery. 1, it can prevent being stranded and disruptions to your daily commute. It can also detect warning signs of corrosion. It can tell you the remaining battery life and allow you to be proactive. And it offers you peace of mind, especially in those unpredictable winter months. No problem! We offer a variety of batteries to suit your vehicle needs. We recommend the AC Delco battery as it offers several advantages over traditional flooded batteries. It offers plastic casing designed for durability. They're built with corrosion-resistant terminals and a maintenance-free design. AC Delco offers comprehensive warranty, including 42, 36, or 18-month warranty options. It has a greater battery capacity, offering more start times. And it's designed for today's technology-driven vehicles that require more power due to features such as stop-start. Brace for the cold this winter and take advantage of our no-charge battery inspections, plus additional savings of 25% off all batteries and a $20 instant rebate on AC Delco batteries. It's never been a better time to ensure your vehicle's battery is in good health. To schedule your free inspection, give us a call or visit us online.